In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your Gmail password in 2021. So the first thing is to open up a web browser and then go to google.com and then make sure you're logged into the correct account. So you can see your profile icon at the top right hand corner. Make sure you're logged into the correct account there. So I am, so I'm going to click on these little dots that make up a square. That's going to open up the Google Apps, and then you can go and click on Gmail. Once the Gmail has loaded up, you want to locate the profile icon at the top right hand corner again, and then you want to click on Manage Your Google Account. From this page, you want to click on Security at the left hand panel, and then you want to scroll down from this page, and you can notice here it says Password, and you want to click here where it says Password. So now you have to fill in your current password, so I'll just do that really quickly. Once you've done that, click on Next. And now it takes you to the Create a New Password page. All you would need to do is type in your new password, confirm your new password, and then click on Change Password, and then that will go ahead and update your password for your Gmail, as well as everything that's connected to that Gmail. So your YouTube channel and everything else like that if you have a YouTube channel. I'm not going to change my password because I don't need to do that, but once you click this Change Password button, it will be changed. So that is how you change your Gmail password in 2021. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.